Look, I'm just gonna go out on a limb and say it. I just had the best burrito of my life. You know, for being at 10,000 feet of elevation, they sure do love their stairs here. Look, the truth is, I've seen a lot of pretty places in Colorado, but look at this.
Good morning! We are leaving our campground at East Ridge Campground at the Royal Gorge. And I am excited this morning. We are headed to the highest elevation city in the entire United States. That's right, we're headed to Leadville. Gonna do some hikes, gonna go check out Twin Lakes. There's a Silver Something Saloon that I have to go see. My sister said I had to go drink a beer there. So I'm gonna go do that. Looks like they got food there. And also, a few Instagram friends had sent me a few recommendations to check out. It's just kind of like on our way. I'm going to Carbondale, staying at a KOA, you know, like a fancy old rich guy. No, I just really need to do laundry and I really need to take a shower. So, staying there, same place I stayed at 2 years ago with Onyx, right on the river. So I'm pretty excited about that. 2 days full of high-speed Wi-Fi. So I'm just excited about the drive. Got new tires. I feel confident on the road finally. And I don't know, man. Let's go have a day.
Stop number one of the day. This is a reservoir right before Twin Lakes, just south of Leadville. And if this is any indication of how our day is gonna go, it's gonna be a very pretty day. Look at that. Hey, you got alone. You gonna go swimming? Are you gonna go swimming? What is that? Look, the truth is, I've seen a lot of pretty places in Colorado, but look at this. I'm flying the drone. Twin Lakes near Leadville might be one of the prettiest places I've seen so far on this trip. Short hike, probably less than a mile, up some terrain at 10,000 feet. You know, I'm a little winded, but man, it's so worth it. I'm glad we stopped. All right, moving onward. We're going to Silver Saloon, the world famous Silver Saloon in Leadville, Colorado. I'm so hungry, and I was told I had to get a beer there. So I'm gonna go do that. this feels weird. I am going somewhere without Wyatt. I am headed to Silver Dollar Saloon to go grab a pint and lunch. I'm starving. It's supposed to be some sort of legendary saloon here in Leadville. I'm excited. Well, I have to say I'm a little disappointed. Not because the place wasn't cool, it was awesome. A lot of history there. I don't know, it's just neat. But they don't serve food on Mondays and Tuesdays. So, gonna go grab Wyatt and find some place to walk around and hopefully grab some food. I'm starving. Look, I'm just gonna go out on a limb and say it. I just had the best burrito of my life. It's called Colorado burrito. It's called Colorado sauce, which I've never heard of. I think it's made out of like unicorn sweat and children's dreams. It's so good. The place is called Cafe Sancho, and highly, highly, highly recommended if you're in Leadville. Get the Colorado burrito. So good. All right, we're moving on. But that's gonna sit really heavy. So I had to make a little pit stop. We're in the Twin Lakes area, and behind me is a kind of a deserted place. Used to be called Interlaken. It was a luxury resort town in the late 1800s. It's kind of like a boom town. And you could see why. Like if you look around, it is stunning. It's pretty here. So we're gonna explore around here. Looks like there's a little bit of hikes to do. And you just, like, as you keep walking, you get these pops of these mountains. It's nuts. So way over there is the Twin Lakes. That's where we just were, staring up at these mountains in the drone shots. And then here is the actual mountain that we were staring at. Called Twin Peaks. I don't know if that 90s show was named after it. Pretty impressive though. Looks as though there are 4 buildings that remain of the town of Interlaken. RV1. Here's another one. I'd like to think that this one was a brothel. It's got good vibes, good brothel vibes.
Be free with me.
We have made it to the KOA in Carbondale. Hey, buddy. He was just so excited to see grass. I don't know if he's ever seen grass in his life, aside from one tiny little stretch when we were downtown Canon City. He loves it. He loves the grass. I do too. I'm just so done with the desert. All right. Public land's here, buddy. We've got other campers. So this is the same place that I stayed at 2 years ago with Onyx, except it was rainy and snowy and haily and sleety. And this is actually the exact same campsite. So I have sort of fond, bittersweet memories. What? You need to be in the shot? Is that what you're trying to tell me? So it's weird having a new guy here. Why? Knock it off. Don't make me slap you. Whatever, that's probably gonna happen a lot in our journeys. Right.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde. A classic cliche, we're on the run. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow.
Good morning, and welcome to Laundry Day. It has been a minute since I have done laundry. 6 weeks. It's been 6 weeks since I've done laundry. So that's quite a bit. It's a lot of hikes. It's a lot of underwear. And say what you want about KOAs. I mean, yeah, they're expensive. Yeah, I'm next to 102 of my closest friends. But they do serve a purpose. It is nice. They are nice. There's Wi-Fi. I am downloading some movies and things to watch. And there's laundry and there's showers, which I took yesterday, and it was outstanding. So that's our plan for the day. Oh, plus this view. There's that. Currently living in a van down by the river. No shame in that game.
This trip as a whole has completely changed since I originally planned it from months of research back in Florida. Getting a puppy will do that. Gone are the national parks reservations in Arizona and Utah. Gone is the whitewater rafting trip. But what I didn't expect to find was all this beauty here in the state of Colorado. I don't know why. I've briefly explored the state before, but usually it's just short adventures while on my way to Wyoming or Montana. Rescuing Wyatt is the best thing that's happened to me on this trip, and the change in plans that it caused has been incredible. It's caused me to slow down and just enjoy this journey I'm on. It's caused me to adapt, because now there are 2 heartbeats on this journey called life. So just know change is inevitable in life. Growth is optional. Don't ever be afraid to change, to alter paths, to evolve, to create alternative life adventures. And keep exploring life with an open mind.